am just here to tell y'all, your girl passed path in micro B. Single, no kids, in medical school, like absolutely not.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
We had an ethics rotation. We also had an emergency medicine rotation. My emergency medicine rotation was okay. It was very tiring, but I really enjoyed the experience. Despite my rant, I did enjoy the experience. And after that, I went home. I went home to visit family. And this is one of my favorite things about living closer to home, because I'm always a flight away, even though the flight is not cheap. It's not cheap. I am just blessed to have that opportunity to go back home and to regroup, especially when you are one that is so family oriented and you're always around family and you just have that love and support at home, and you wouldn't have that elsewhere. It always feels amazing.
Good morning. I look rough. I can't wait to go to Freeport to get my hair plucked. So I'm going to Freeport on Friday. I'm gonna come back Tuesday morning. I still need to figure out how I can get to the airport. I gotta see which one of my friends go and drop me. But yeah, I'm going to Freeport. I just got home from the hospital. I am on the first shift, so my emergency medicine shift starts tonight at 8. I just had to stop to the shop to pick up some coffee because I didn't have coffee. I needed to get some coffee, and I needed to get some sandwich bags. Got them, and of course I ended up picking up some stuff I didn't. Oh, I ain't get no egg. I needed egg. I picked up bacon, but I didn't pick up the eggs. That's what I needed. I needed eggs. I didn't really need more bacon. I needed eggs. But I got like 6 items and my bill was $70. Like, what? Anyway, I'm going inside, study for like 3 hours, then lay down, eat, take a nap, because your girl got work tonight. And we'll see how my first shift goes. Hey, my beauts and beautettes. I really need to find something to call y'all. Be on my phone. I am done for the day, but I just hold on, because this just ain't giving. Yes, I just be this close up under my wheel, but I am just here to tell y'all, your girl passed path in micro B. I can't stop thanking God, because I told you that exam was hard. I feel like that was one of the hardest exam that I took in medical school. That was really hard, but I got a B+, so I cannot stop thanking God for it. But I'm leaving now to go home. It's after 5. So I'm in class from 9 o'clock today. So now I'm going home to go and eat because I'm starving. I haven't ate since breakfast. When I was making breakfast this morning, I haven't ate since then. But I'm gonna go home and just finish. Thank God for allowing me to pass path in micro B. I also need to start setting myself up so I could see what all the things I need to know for this exam. Not this exam, for this course, and we also have to do a research. So yeah, I need to go organize myself. And then I'm going to maybe watch a movie. I have a few people to call, so I'm gonna do that today. So yeah, I'm going home.
And after that rotation, we were on community health. Community health was okay. We visited a lot of sites. We did a lot of things. There ain't really much to talk about. Then it was my birthday. I turned 26. When I was 25, like, I was very heartbroken over the fact that I was aging, because I don't know, I must feel like I wasn't supposed to age. But yeah, I was very heartbroken over that fact. I did not want to age. At 25 was the new 30, and I feel like at 25 I wanted to be in my career, I wanted to have children, I wanted to be married, and here there was single, no kids in medical school. Like, absolutely nothing. When I was 25, like, I was definitely more intentional about what I do, the places I go, people I interact with, how I show up in my friendships, how I show up in the lives of people I love, how I show up in my schoolwork, how I present myself, and all that. That was I want to say 25, I definitely want to say, was my defining year of who I am and who I'm going to become. So my 26th birthday was so amazing. Initially, I was supposed to stay here, and my friends and I were supposed to celebrate together because all of our birthdays are a few days apart, but that didn't happen. So I ended up traveling home, and I had a dinner, I had an after party, I had a party. We were supposed to go to church on Sunday, but your girl was just passed out. Just got into a clip. I had a ball.
Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Gauri Samika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, did I eat up all the food? Did I drink down all the rum? We can scream and dance all night long to the sounds of the ancient man. Now you can do your candle, you can look on all your gifts. We can sing a happy birthday and your family a birthday wish.
Happy birthday to you. We love you. We do. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ouch, ouch. Get it.
Another one in 2024. Hey! To share this moment with all of you, and I appreciate all of you for coming up to me.
I wonder who it could be. You keep your first piece of birthday cake through. Oh Lord, my God, I pray that it's me. Oh, they done eat all the food and they done drink on the rum. Speak, drink and strip it dance all night long to the sounds of the ancient man. Now you done load your candle, you done look on all your gifts. We done sing a happy birthday and your family the birthday wish. You know I was like your body, close up with not than your best friend. I've been with you through the Hurricane. Damn it, I'll be here when your party ends.
The week after my birthday, I went on a truly great time, and we're just gonna take it as that.
Happy birthday, Sanika in the building. Sanika, what up, girl? Since I see you drinking, we gonna act up tonight. Sanika, you ready? Pull up on these niggas acting about. Hey, bitch, I've been waiting for a month. I come at 25. Bitch, me that suicide.
Then after that, what happened? I don't even think I vlogged after my birthday. I don't think I vlogged the week of my birthday, after my birthday, or anything. Then I went home. I had an exam yesterday. Yes, I had an exam. I look super rough right now. I know, I look rough. But anyway, I'm starting to count down to my journey towards becoming a doctor. So we are now in the year of 2022, the end of November, and I'm actually on a study break now, what am I saying? I am studying to prepare for my exam tomorrow, which will be my last exam for this year, because my next exam for my rotation won't be until the new year. So I'm just reflecting on that fact that this is my last exam for 2022. And I just calculated the amount of months that I have to until I become a doctor, and it's 20 more months. No, I'm just super blessed. I feel super blessed, rather, and I am super, super grateful for the fact that, I always said I wanted to do this. I'm actually doing this, and sometimes I take it for granted, and sometimes I don't even want to do this, to be honest, and I just do it just to do it. I don't want to ever take for granted the fact that I am blessed to even be on this journey, and not only just be on this journey, but to be on this journey and, not, or hardly, let me not say not, but hardly have to worry about things what other people have to consider, like a place to live, a car to drive, food to eat, bills being paid, tuition being paid. I don't have to worry about that. I mean, of course, there's always some financial stresses, but it's not stress to the point where
I literally don't know where it's gonna come from, you know. So I'm super grateful that my parents had taken the responsibility of, you know, funding my dream, because a lot of people don't have that. I am a full dependent at 26 years old, and there is nothing, and I mean nothing, that I cannot get from my parents, from my sister, and even from my family members. Like, if I say I need it or I say I want it, it's mine. And a lot of people don't have that support or assistance on their journey. So I am super grateful for that fact. I just told someone the other day, if I had to do it again, I wouldn't, simply because I had yet to enjoy my medical school journey. It was not an enjoyable one for me. I grieved the entire time, and even while grieving, I still had to show up and give it my best. It was my best effort at the time, but I knew I could do better. I knew I could have done better, and I have to live with the fact that, you know, I wasn't able to work to my fullest potential or work to my fullest capacity, because sometimes I couldn't even show up for me. So I had to, like, give myself, I only had 50%. I had to give myself 20, give my family 10, and give medical school the next 20, and the next 50 I didn't have it to give. And you know, I am super grateful that God continues to pour my cup and fill my cup. Even when I continuously poured from an empty cup, He continued to sustain me and keep me, and I'm super grateful for that. I feel super blessed, and I also feel super blessed to the fact that I can't recall a time that I've went without. And even when circumstances where I thought I would have went without, like, God just continued to show up, and He just continued to provide and make a way. And yeah, I just feel like I am super blessed and highly favored, and I just wanted to say that's something I'm grateful for today, because today is Thanksgiving. When I think about the fact that there's only 20 more months in my journey, and me saying this, like, telling someone I go in medical school, and it's like, how long? 5 years? And it's be like, 5 years, you're going to school 5 years. And even when I say I want to be a doctor, like, people say, you want to be a doctor? You know how long it takes to be a doctor? But I'd rather be in school 10 years working towards a dream than letting 10 years pass and wishing I did. Like, I'd rather do that, to be honest. And even though the journey, like I said, wasn't easy, was a very, 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 I'm not going to even sugarcoat it, I hated, absolutely hated. And it got to a point where I despised being in medical school, because it was just so, and like I told my friend, like, the hardest part from medical school for me wasn't medical school. Like, medical school itself, the work itself, the workload was like a joke compared to what I went to. Like, I feel like medical school traumatized me, but you know, I am super grateful for the fact that I could stand up and stand on the strength that God gave me, because it's not my own strength. It's only because of His strength and His will and His grace and mercy that I am able to stand here and do the things I do and show up the way I show up for people and for myself, and in medical school, and, you know, in my academics and my finances and every other aspect that I had to give myself in. It is only because of God's strength that I was able to do that. So I would be ungrateful if I didn't acknowledge that fact. So yeah, I just wanted to take this time out to, you know, talking about my gratitude. God is just amazing. I just know that, like, I just feel like something great is going to come out of these last few months in my medical school journey, and I just feel like everything that I wanted but wasn't able to accomplish just because of life, I just feel like it's going to come to pass in 2023 and 2024. Like, I just feel like something amazing was gonna come out those years. I just want to take this time out and say thank you, God. And I just know that He will continuously blow my mind. I started on psychiatry, and psychiatry was amazing. I really love psychiatry. Like, the doctors, the peace in the room, the doctors was amazing. Like, they were so sweet. I couldn't get over it. Like, the atmosphere was so welcoming. The work climate was just amazing. If I could get the action or the, like, workload at what I get at the extended sites, or what I get on psychiatry with the doctors and their attitude and the work climate, I would love it. Like, I would absolutely love it. That's my life update.
I don't know what else to say, but yeah, that's my life update. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next vlog, which should be the vlog of this week. So yeah.